I tried this one here. I do this one, my chair. Will I do the whole book? Yeah? Okay. My chair. Look at me. Look at me in my chair.
I suppose when I met Amy first, one of her main ambitions was to be able to read to her nephew. I think that was exactly how she put it. So then when I just went about assessing exactly what level she was at, and just building on that, it worked out, everything worked out really well. And I think through the group reading, she really developed her skills, but also just through like helping out other students, it gave her confidence.
These books, I'm actually reading these books that my sister got me for a Christmas present. And I know about 21 different ones. And they're very good, I actually like them.
And could you read before you joined the Latch-On Program?
No, I couldn't. But now I can. And I'm glad I can.
The Latch-On Program was developed in Queensland University in Australia through different trials that they did there with students with Down syndrome, and it was felt in Ireland after secondary school there was no real program there for people with Down syndrome to keep up their literacy. Students with Down syndrome were slowly losing the literacy, so it was felt that the Latch-On Program would fit really well.
I have to say her writing has come on. It's unbelievable. Her writing is unbelievable since she started Latch-On. I think it's the best really thing that ever happened for people with Down syndrome.
My name is Paddy. I'm Amy's dad.
Yes.
And I'm really, really proud of her. The present program she's doing now, the Latch-On, is very good for her. It's bringing her on at reading and writing, and we're immensely proud of her.
Yeah, and what is the thing that you want to really do most when we go out?
Oh yeah, read off the menus. I find that hard to read the menus when I'm just sitting there. It looks like it's embarrassing because my ma has to do it for me or my sisters. Look, I can have a party in my chair.
And what's that say here?
Main goal, I think, really as a parent is try and make them as independent as you can. That would be a great mantra to hand on to them. That have them as independent as any of your other kids. There will be setbacks along the way and whatever, but you'll get tremendous satisfaction from doing it.